Hey everyone, if you've been curious about red light therapy but aren't sure whether it's actually worth trying, I get it. There's a lot of noise out there, and not all devices deliver real results. Today I'm breaking down the Hooga PRO1500 red light therapy panel. It's a full-body panel with both 660 nanometers red and 850 nanometers near-infrared LEDs, and it comes with a hanging kit so you can set it up once and forget about it. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So why this panel? Well, I've tested a few over the years, and most either feel underpowered or break too quickly. The PRO1500 is built around 300 dual-chip LEDs, which means each diode packs more punch than the single-chip panels you'll find elsewhere. That translates to deeper penetration without needing to stand super close for 20 minutes. I've used it on my shoulders after long days at the desk, and I can actually feel the difference in tightness after just one session. It's not magic, but it's the closest thing I've felt to real muscle recovery without popping ibuprofen. Another thing that sold me is the dual wavelength combo. The 660 nanometers red is great for skin tone and surface level inflammation, while the 850 nanometers near infrared goes deeper to help with joint stiffness and muscle soreness. I've alternated between the two depending on what my body's asking for. Sometimes I'll do a quick 10-minute session on my face in the morning for that subtle glow, and other times I'll hang it over my bed for a full body recovery while I read before sleep. The panel is big enough to cover a person's torso at a comfortable distance, so you're not constantly adjusting your setup. The build quality feels solid too. It's housed in iron, not flimsy plastic, and the LEDs are flicker-free, which matters if you're sensitive to that strobing effect some cheaper panels have. I've had mine mounted on the wall for months now, and it hasn't warped or buzzed like some others I've tried. Plus, the included hanging kit makes installation a breeze, no extra tools, just a couple of screws and you're done. I mounted mine in my home office, and it's out of the way but still easy to reach when I need it. I also appreciate the timer settings. You can choose 10, 20, or 30 minutes, which is perfect for consistency. I like to keep it at 15 minutes most days, long enough to feel the effects but short enough to fit into a routine. And because it's LED-based, there's no bulb replacement cost or warm-up time. Just flip it on and go. If you're thinking about gifting one, it's actually a thoughtful wellness present. The sleek black finish and clean setup look good in most rooms, and it's something people can use daily without it feeling like another gadget cluttering their space. I've recommended it to a few friends who deal with chronic pain, and they've all noticed a difference after a couple of weeks of regular use. Now, no product is perfect. The PRO1500 is a bit heavier than some portable panels, so if you plan to move it around a lot, you might want to consider that. Also, while the coverage is great for a single panel, if you're taller or want full body coverage at once, you might need to supplement with another unit or do 2 sessions. But for most people, one panel is plenty, especially if you position it correctly. All in all, if you're on the fence about red light therapy, this panel is a solid choice. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the build, output, and convenience make it worth the investment if you're serious about integrating it into your routine. Give it a few weeks of consistent use and see how your body responds. Many people notice improvements in recovery, skin, and even sleep quality. If you're ready to check it out, the link is below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.